चलिए, पार्ट 5 हम लोग बिहार इंटर लेवल एग्जामिनेशन एसएससी इंटर लेवल एग्जामिनेशन का 29 जुलाई का जनवरी का पेपर देख रहे थे। उसमें हम लोग जनरल स्टडीज के 50 क्वेश्चन करना था, तो हम लोग टोटल 20 क्वेश्चन कर चुके थे। अब हम लोग पार्ट 5 करेंगे 21 टू 25 क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 क्या बोल रहा है? हु रोट पंचतंत्र। ठीक है, पंचतंत्र किसने लिखा? विष्णु शर्मा ने। द पंचतंत्र इज एन एंशियंट इंडियन कलेक्शन ऑफ interrelated animal fables in Sanskrit verse and prose and is arranged within a frame story. It is one of the most important widely translated non-religious books in history. Panchtantra is classical literature in Hindu text and based on older oral traditions with animal fables. There are 200 versions of the text in more than 50 languages around the world. The earliest known translation into a non-Indian language by Burju is in Middle Persian. Varahamihir's Panch Siddhant, a treatise on mathematical astronomy, is the earliest datable text to use zero both as a symbol and a number. He also wrote the Brihat Samhita, compilation of wide-ranging topics such as astrology, planetary movements, eclipses, rainfall, clouds, architecture, growth of crops, manufacture of perfume, matrimony, domestic relations, gems, pearls, and rituals, which also provides interesting details of the beliefs of those times. And the Brihat Jataka, considered the standard textbook on Vedic astrology. ठीक है, वृहत संहिता और वृहत जटाका किसने लिखा है? वराह मिहिर ने। और पंच सिद्धांत भी किनका है? वराह मिहिर का। क्लियर है? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 22 हु वाज द फेमस फॉर हिज नॉलेज ऑफ आयुर्वेदा? धनवंतरी। Dhanvantari was one of the Navratnas of King Vikramaditya Chandragupta II of Ujjain. The tradition of keeping Navratna in court started from King Vikramaditya itself. Dhanvantari was a physician of Ayurveda in King Vikramaditya's court. Roga Nidan and Vedya Chintamani are the famous books of Lord Dhanvantari. Divodasa Divodasa Dhanvantri has made enormous contributions to Ayurveda. Though he has not written any Ayurvedic treatise, his teachings could be seen through Sutrut Samhita. He was responsible for the division of Ayurvedic surgery into two main branches, Salya Tantra and Salkya Tantra. Aryabhat. Aryabhat was a well-known mathematician and astronomer. Aryabhat wrote a book in Sanskrit called Arabhatyam. In the book, he stated that day and night was caused by the rotation of Earth on its axis. He even developed scientific explanations of eclipses. He also found a way to calculate the circumference of a circle. Brahmagupta belonged to the Gupta dynasty. He was a renowned astronomer and mathematician. Brahmagupta. Brahmagupta wrote Brahm Sphutik, in which he hinted at the law of gravitation. Clear है? Next. Question number 23. When did IPL cricket started? 2018. Indian Premier League. It was started in the year 2008. The Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI) is the administrator of the league. Currently, there are 10 teams participating. Mumbai Indians hold the record for the most number of titles, that is 5. The ICC was founded in 1909. The Board of Cricket Control for Cricket in India was formed in 1927. The Indian Premier League IPL 2022 was the 15th edition of the professional 2020 cricket league established by the Board of Control for Cricket in India. IPL 2022 sponsor was Tata. IPL 2022 champion title won by Gujarat Titans. IPL Orange Cap title winner is Jose Butler, Rajasthan Royals with total runs of 863 runs. Purple Cap title winner is Yuzvendra Chahal, Rajasthan Royals with total 27 wickets. BCCI President Saurav Ganguly and General Secretary Jay Shah then received a certificate as IPL created a Guinness World Record for the world's largest cricket jersey. Clear? Next. Question number 24. Whose nickname is the Wall? Rahul Dravid. The nickname The Wall is given to Rahul Dravid, the former captain of the Indian cricket team. He is widely regarded as one of the greatest batsmen in cricket history. It is a tribute to his doggedness and long periods to concentration that he displayed while batting during the peak of his career. Kapil Dev, his nickname is Haryana Hurricane. Kapil Dev was a fast bowler and a hard-hitting middle-order batsman of his time. Kapil Dev was the captain when India lifted ICC One Day International World Cup first time in 1983. The Master Blaster, the God of cricket, are the sum of the nickname of Sachin Tendulkar. The nickname given to the Shoaib Akhtar is Rawalpindi Express. Shoaib Akhtar is a former Pakistani cricketer who played in all three formats of game for the 14 years. Clear है? Next. Question number 25. Where is the headquarters of Red Cross? Switzerland. Red Cross. The International Committee of Red Cross was established on 17 February 1863. Red Cross is an international organization that aims to protect people in conflict zones. Red Cross was founded by Henry Durant, a Swiss socialist social activist. Red Cross is headquartered at Geneva, Switzerland. Red Cross won the Nobel Peace Prize three times in 1917, 1944 and 1963. अब देखिए वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ है? जेनेवा, स्विट्जरलैंड में. इंटरनेशनल लेबर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ है? जेनेवा, स्विट्जरलैंड में. इंटरनेशनल कमिटी ऑफ द रेड क्रॉस का हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ है? जेनेवा, स्विट्जरलैंड में. वर्ल्ड ट्रेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ है? जेनेवा, स्विट्जरलैंड में. वर्ल्ड मेट्रोलॉजिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ है? जेनेवा, स्विट्जरलैंड में. वर्ल्ड इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विपो का हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ है? जेनेवा, स्विट्जरलैंड में. इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन का हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ है? जेनेवा, स्विट्जरलैंड में. UNAIDS, यूनाइटेड नेशंस इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. UNAIDS का हेडक्वार्टर है जेनेवा, स्विट्जरलैंड में. अब देखिए यूनाइटेड नेशंस इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन यूनिडो का हेडक्वार्टर का वियना, स्विट्जरलैंड में. इंटरनेशनल एटॉमिक एनर्जी एजेंसी का हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ है? वियना, ऑस्ट्रिया में. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ पेट्रोलियम एक्सपोर्टिंग कंट्रीज ओपेक का हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ है? वियना, ऑस्ट्रिया में. यूनाइटेड नेशंस एजुकेशनल साइंटिफिक एंड कल्चरल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन यूनेस्को का हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ? पेरिस, फ्रांस में. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर इकोनॉमिक कोऑपरेशन एंड डेवलपमेंट OECD का हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ? पेरिस, फ्रांस में. यूनाइटेड नेशंस यूनिवर्सिटी UNU का हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ है? टोक्यो, जापान में. क्लियर है? थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब.